it's me again. It's Jenny from Just Jenny Journaling. This is, I think it's part 5, step 5, the second part of step 5 of how to make a journal, where we're stamping and embellishing the signatures. We've just been through the first signature for this journal here, this one. It's been for the first one, and stamped occasionally through. And now what I wanted to do was show you how I was going to do the collage for the second signature on the cover of it. So what happened was, I loved this image, I really loved it, but I thought it looked a bit stark, so I'm going to collage. I've made it into a pocket, so just to give you an idea of how I've done it, like so. So that's how it's going to open, and then there's going to be pages inside. But then what I did was, because this page was a little bit shorter, I collaged this little page onto it. It's from a paint book, and then I've made it into a pocket. So I've just stuck the ends, glued the ends down, and because I liked these cards, I just thought I might pop that in there, because I found a picture that I liked, that I love the colours to go in the journal, which I've fussy cut. Still makes me laugh, that word. I fussy cut out this little ballerina, and I know it's probably not as modern as edgy as I'd originally wanted, but I thought I just liked the idea of softening up this page. This was this little thingy here was from an embroidery book, little book of embroidery that I've got, so I fussy cut that out as well, and I will pop that there like so behind her, and then I've cut a little bit of a doily out, which I think one of them I wanted to go down here, so that she's, actually I think I'll just do it and you'll see what I'm going to do. Now I just had the glue, and let's pop that on here so I don't glue my surface. Right, so first things first, let's get this down. And going to just pop it down here on the board or surface of the okay. Alright. I'll pop that down there like that. Then I wanted to place her kind of there. I wanted this behind her head. Actually, that could be better on that side. Bit of a contrast. So I think I might just place her bottom, her legs down here. Let's just place her first, and then I can get on with there's probably an easier way to do this gluing lark. I haven't discovered it yet. So let me just place her about there. And then I was going to place that like so, like so behind her. Let's do that. Yeah, okay, let's go for that. Let's go for that. Da, da, da. Right, here we go. Just a tiny bit of glue. And as you can see, it's very makey up as you go along, which is what's great. And the ladies that I've watched do this sort of process video are just wonderful in the fact that they let it have the ideas and let it flow. A bit nerve-wracking though on camera, but I've decided that it's best not to take myself too seriously, to be honest. Because it's about having fun and creating things that you like. Right, that's a bit... I can move that up a little bit, can I? And then I can see the beauty of this, I think, like so. Let's move that up a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. That looks like a little, oh, I don't know, like a Moulin Rouge type background. And then I'm going to, I need longer nails, don't I? Basically do a little bit of, right, that's that for that. And actually, now this is the thing you should be using, isn't it? The, right, I shall glue that. Sometimes what I could have done actually was use my Artist Decoupage medium, which I might do. Have I got it to hand? I might pop that over the top. Oh, hold on. I bought this, I use it when I'm doing, I bought this when I started doing my Bible journaling, and that's really quite nice to seal things. I might do that after. So that will give you an idea. So that will be, yeah, I'll tidy that up, I think, after you've done this video. Anyway, so that will be the cover of the second signature. Okay, right. For this one, I thought we would go for a couple of different, I liked this, Up, Up and Away, hot air balloons, again quite modern, and I thought I would go for some of the more rounded, maybe that one and that one for this signature, before I go in with the washi tape. So let's put this away, love, and it may be, if you're very lucky ladies and gents, that I might learn how to edit and cut things out on this video so that there aren't too many awkward pauses, and it doesn't take me ages. Right, let's pop that one back there. Okay, let's do a little combo, I think, of this. I quite like to do maybe the 3 balloons. I first bought this last summer, this stamp set, because I loved it, and I bought it to make some presents and cards for my daughter's teachers and helpers, because she has, my friends know, but who know me, that my daughter has Down syndrome, and she's at a mainstream school and has a fantastic team, absolutely fantastic team that take care of her. So she has a team of 2 sort of helping ladies that help her. The whole school have always been fabulous with her, and so I did the theme of the gifts and the cards was thank you for helping me fly, because they are doing that for her and we're so grateful as a family. And so I just thought I loved it. Oh, yeah, that's why I bought these stamps, because I thought that it fitted in quite well with that theme, with that thought. So there we go. I will go again with let's open up. So that one is a pocket which could be a bit bumpy to try to stamp on. So that's my centre pocket. Let's take that out for a minute and then we'll see how we go. So I'm going to start, because I love this that bluey green graph paper. I think it's so nice to give a real contrast, and I don't mind, we're all different, but I don't mind writing on graph paper myself, because I tend to mind map, so my notes are quite varied and in little boxes and squiggly bits and whatever. So I don't know what I'm doing. Who knew? Here's the culprit. But it makes it look a little bit more vintage, and I think I'll just put that there, and I think I might pop that so that'll be on the back page. Sorry about that. No, that's not good, is it? That's not good. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can. It's going to be one of those how not to do it moments again, guys, bear with me. Right, let's see how that works. Voila, not too bad. Shall I be flash and do it on that one? No, I won't. That'll look a bit vintagey, I think. So let's see where else we might do that. Let's just pop that there for now, and I might just do a variation on it and actually include the phrase. We could just include the phrase up and away, and just do maybe let's just do here we go. I'm going to do more clouds actually. Let's have the clouds like that. I'll do the same colour because I really like it, that colourway. And shall I just layer that across there like that? And then have that like that. Okay, let's go for that. Guys, let's see how that works on these next ones. Okay, better do it in frame, sorry, in shot. Right, let's give that a whiz. Without the paper clip, probably better. And it's kind of, I like the hot air balloon thing. It's kind of steampunky without being too much so. Okay. Alrighty. And then what you can do, should you wish to, I might do it on that plain one. You could always do let me do it on a couple. Let's do it on that, and then you can always do it like that. So you've got it on 2 pages when you open it up. That could be quite funky. And I think that will be it for me for that one. Unless I just do, no, let's leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. And so we'll clean that off, and then we'll go for in fact, let's do this a little bit later. Let's clean that off and get it all away and move this on quite quickly, because I'm not long this. You guys don't really need to watch me doing this. It's not. Right, here we go. Should we do the brown, I think? Or actually, brown could be quite nice because it goes with it. Let's see how that works. And it's not going to be completely straight or on point, but and again, let's go like, let's just give it a bit of that. Give it a bit of that. Oh, let's try that again. Okay. There you go. Right. And I think once I've finished stamping, so as you get into the centre of the signature, there's more going on. So I'll probably do less stamping here. And what I'll probably do will be for this little section a little bit more more in the way of washi tape. What have I done there? What have I done there then? What have I done there? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Yet to finish once that signature's done. Is it that one? Yeah, okay. So this, if it's dried off yet, will go in there like so. And then we'll have what I've also done for this one somewhere, and I'm hoping before I do my final flip through, I will find a few months back I sat and did a load of made my own cards, journaling cards, using sort of magazine images I liked and images from a wallpaper book. I'm going to pop some of those in with this journal, and if I find the rest, they'll be popped in as well, so you'll see them. I'm really pleased with these, and I may do a process video on how to just do that yourself, to make your own sort of journal cards. Doesn't have to cost the earth, journaling. It might seem like it when you first start and you look at different people doing things, and there's some lovely kits out there and beautiful papers, but you don't really have to spend loads. That's all I wanted to say on that. And then I think I might just do a little quick, we've done the stamping, another 10 minutes. I might just do how to apply the washi tape on these, and then you can take it from there. So I'm going to leave it at that, and we'll be back in a mo and just go through very quickly with adding washi tape to different pages to give them a bit of a lift. See you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for joining me. Bye.